So for your first time trying s'mores, would you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? It's your girl Lo. If you are new to this channel, my name is Lo. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You already know what you need to do. You're not gonna regret it. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for rocking with us. Today, you guys, we are going to be making microwave s'mores in the microwave. All right, I didn't even know they could do it in a microwave. I'm watching a video right now and he put it in the microwave for 20 seconds and he got s'mores. So my nephew is here today and he told me that he either had the opportunity to make it or never had it before, one of them things. So I was just like, you know what, why don't we just do it today? And then I asked him, I was like, do you want to record it? And he was like, yeah. So so I was like, all right, bet. So right now he's chilling in the other room. We're gonna go to Walmart, get the ingredients, come back and make some s'mores. Stay tuned. If you go wrong, don't follow us, don't copy us. But if it goes right, y'all can go ahead and copy us. Okay. All right, you guys.
Hi guys.
So guys, now we are at Walmart. Can you tell them what we need to make our s'mores?
Marshmallow, chocolates, crackers.
What kind of crackers?
I have no idea.
Okay, we need graham crackers. We need graham crackers. All right, so we're gonna go inside and pick up the ingredients and then head home. Do you have anything to say? Look, you can talk to them. Tell them where you are.
I'm at McDonald's right now and we're in the drive-thru. And we're about to eat some McDonald's.
So what do you want?
I have no idea.
Oh yeah?
Can you surprise me?
No, because I don't know what you like. Wait, look, let me show you. So when you're recording it, you have to put this down so you can see what the camera's looking at and then fix it. Is it fixed?
Okay.
Yeah? You can hold it with the other hand.
Comment down below if you eat McDonald's.
What's your favorite restaurant?
Steak Home.
Steak Home?
I mean Cheesecake Factory.
Oh yeah? Yeah, I kind of like them too. Maybe one day we should go eat there at Cheesecake Factory. What you like there?
I like the pizza.
Yeah? And you love pizza, huh? Me too, y'all. We love pizza. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna order and then go home and then do the s'mores. If you're still watching, thank you so much. You have anything you want to say before we close this clip?
Hi guys, well we have all of our ingredients here. Let's count them out. Crackers, marshmallows, chocolate. So first up, put two crackers.
Letting it down.
And let's put each chocolate in each one.
Okay. I hope you guys are following along.
And put some marshmallow on top of the chocolate.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
After we're done, I think one just cracked.
It's okay.
So we'll put the rest in the microwave. And after it's done, we're gonna put the rest in the top.
Alright, so hopefully you guys heard him. So now we're gonna put the s'mores into the microwave for 20 seconds. The video I watched said 20 seconds. No more, no less.
Okay.
Good job.
And
So this is it.
just put the crackers in top.
And push it down. Ooh.
So like
Good job.
just
Okay, y'all, so you can see the marshmallow is really soft and the heat is supposed to somewhat melt the chocolate underneath. So are you ready to try it?
Camera, you want some too?
Now I could get a little messy, but that's okay. All right, so pick one up and try it. This is his first time, you guys. So you gotta bite down really hard. Ooh. Do you like it? Oh, good. Oh, well, he like it then if he keep eating it. He's satisfied.
It's like glued on it.
Mmm.
The good taste about it is the chocolate and the crackers.
It's a lot to eat. It's a lot to eat, but it tastes good. Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
But so for your first time trying s'mores, would you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Thumbs down. Oh. Alright, you guys, we hope. See, my stomach already kind of hurting. because it's too sweet. But all right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So y'all can follow us. He's happy. So y'all can follow us by putting it in the microwave for the 20 seconds, you know, buying the stuff, whatever. Y'all can follow us. Y'all let me know if y'all want more videos with him. He actually wanted to really record, so he doesn't mind recording. So if y'all want to see more videos with him, let me know by giving this video a like. Comment down below some videos you want to see with him and with me and Don. And stay tuned for more videos. We're going on a trip, y'all, so stay tuned.